Woo! Yeah. Go, 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 go. Woo, 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 woo. Oh yeah, she's killing it. Oh.
Trying to ride with my head to the left. Hopefully I'm getting you.
So how come you don't like these things? The wooden features.
I don't like wooden features.
Why not?
When you go off like the side like that, like the
berms?
Yeah.
The wooden berms you don't like?
I've actually slipped quite a few times on them.
But it's not wet today.
I know, it's dry.
So you're not gonna slip.
Yep, I'm gonna stay a little lower.
All right, what's your plan on this?
I'm gonna go a little faster.
Okay. Ken's Corners. Low, get down low. That one's good low. You come out fast. Stay low and look ahead. Yeah, you're doing a lot better this time. What do you think about this?
This is a big one, big berm. Wooden.
It doesn't look as big as the one in Alafaya. We used to think this was big, but I think the one in Alafaya might be bigger now.
Whoa!
Woo! Yeah. Skinny it is. See if she can do it. Slow and techie. She got it, she got it, you got it, you got it. Yeah, did it. Don't break, just roll it. Got a little there. All right, let's go. Go, 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 go. Woo, 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 woo. Get it. Oh yeah, she's killing it. Oh, you. Yeah.
All right, Ken's behind me. He's gonna try the long, skinny. See if I can look to the left.
In my chain right too.
Trying to ride with my head to the left. Hopefully I'm getting you.
Yeah. Yeah, made it. You. Yeah. Nice.
GoPro, stop recording.